Welcome to JH. Today, we're looking at Willow, an online brand that claims to offer meaningful jewelry and keepsakes. They promise rings and necklaces designed to honor life's special moments, which sounds lovely, provided your idea of a special moment involves a potential credit card dispute. A quick WHOIS check reveals the domain was only registered in July 2025. Apparently, they are so innovative they've started operating in the future, or more likely, they just don't have a track record to speak of. No matter how pretty a website looks, buying from a brand with the lifespan of a housefly is always a gamble. Their customer support is another masterpiece of mystery. They only provide an email and a physical address that looks like it was shamelessly copy-pasted from a completely different website. Because why bother with a real location when you can just live rent-free in someone else's metadata? There is also zero transparency regarding who actually runs the place. No names, no photos, and not even a basic About Us page. It's essentially the digital equivalent of buying a diamond ring from a guy in a trench coat who refuses to show his face. The sales tactics are equally subtle, which is to say, they aren't. Everything is perpetually discounted, accompanied by pushy phrases like, only a few pieces left, and the promise of free worldwide shipping. It's a bit like a desperate first date. Far too much pressure and way too many empty promises. Even the product images look a bit too polished, bordering on this was definitely generated by a computer. While their own site is conveniently filled with glowing, perfect reviews, places like Trustpilot and Reddit are a total ghost town. When the only people praising a brand are the ones selling it, you might want to keep your wallet firmly shut. Between the fake address, the hidden founders, and the suspicious lack of real feedback, Willow Co. is glowing with red flags. You're probably better off finding your meaningful keepsakes somewhere that actually exists in the real world. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest takes.